Hey, what's going on, traders? Nikki Limitless here, and another update for you on gold. So this morning I did the markup. This evening I'm going over how to play out, and there was a ton of options I gave this morning on how it could work. It did do what I said. It did what I said originally, the original plan and idea, and then I gave a lot of alternatives just to keep your head on a swivel. Um, but it did take this entry. So I said enter here, look for it to come down here and then come back up. So it did that. It didn't go as deep as I'd like to see it, but it still hit into this zone, right? And there was an imbalance, and the imbalance is a mark white. So this is a little green. So that means it's balanced, right? It balanced out, but there's still an imbalance down here. Now, it came down and it came close to equilibrium. So sometimes it'll do this and then it'll come back up and it might hit this top again, right? And then come back down, clear this, and then go back up. So this was Friday though. So I said like it would come down here. I thought it would come a little deeper. This is where it went. And I said it might even just do this and then just play out like this. And it did. It basically made a low, made a high, and then stayed in between. But it came back up though, right? It did like a final push up. So, you like, and then this is what I'm thinking next. It could come here. It might just break the top, and then it could come all the way back down, clear this, hit this zone, maybe even break this zone, and then you start seeing it come back up, and then continue forward, continue up. Um, but I mean, if you look at the 4 hour, right, and let's just hide everything. Okay. If you look at the 4 hour, right, so it basically did this. It may continue down, and then because look at all this liquidity right here. This is all liquidity. People entered. They have like holding spot positions, right? And I mean, or this can be one big continuation, and you might see it even go higher. So keep your head on a swivel. Keep your check the news out, see what's coming up because like all this right here was this big push was the war. I remember this day. This day was just I was looking for this, and it happened way later because the news dropped about the war, and then boom, 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 right? All this happened, and here we are today. So, um, so I did enter this trade like I said I would to catch it down here. Um, Took profits. It was a lovely day. I didn't take the entry because it didn't go like it went here in a proper way, but here it didn't. I was looking for it more in the 79, 89. I was looking for it in this green area because I don't know, I like those entries the best. Oh, it's not deleting. Let's clear that. So yeah, I was looking for it to be in this green area closer to equilibrium. As you can see, I have this here thinking it would come back. Um, yeah, I would have took an entry. So I took this. I would have took an entry right here um, in the zone and like just wrote it up, and then that would have been like a nice move, right? If it was here where I wanted, it's easy 200 something, 223, 222 pips right there. Instead, that's not what happened, which is fine. You know, it was 180, right? So it was a little bit less, but no big deal. It's still a good day. So if you caught this move, excellent. This was the 930. Like I said, the 930 is the decision maker. It gives you that where it's actually going to go. Because look at that, 830. It started 930. It could continue down or push the other way, and that's what it did. It pushed the other way, um, which is like is expected. It hit this zone. That's literally you can enter anywhere. I just like entering down here more because my stop loss is tighter. My risk to reward is bigger, right? So that's why. So like that's why I didn't enter the second time. I would be more confident in my entry here and here than it being at 70 or 62. Right. So I wasn't confident because I was like, all right, it tapped. And a lot of times what it does is it comes back up and then comes back down. But that didn't happen today. So that's why. So I entered one trade, beautiful, phenomenal, profited. We took pips. I was right here. Took it, well, minus a little bit. So I got like 100 pips. All right, I put enter a couple times. So I caught like, a few hundred pips. But yeah, like it moved beautiful today. Friday's a beautiful day. Tuesday's a beautiful day. And then like, what's this? It's Friday. Here's Thursday. Like Thursday's a little chop. Right, and then here's Wednesday. Wednesday made a nice move. Well, no, that was Thursday. Excuse me. It's 1:15. So Thursday did a nice move. Yeah, Thursday did a nice move. And then this is Wednesday. Yeah, this whole week did pretty nice. It was like pretty clean moving. So anyway, um, tomorrow I'll be on, and this is a short video. Tomorrow I'll be on. I will mark up what I think the outlook's going to be for next week on gold, and I'll probably mark a couple of charts. Well, when I say couple, like this one and GU, like those are the two pairs I really look at right now. And I say right now because I wasn't before. I would only be on gold, but yeah. So thank you guys. Like it, comment, share. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you want. Like if you want me to talk about something, if you want me to analyze something that you've been looking at, so I could, give you a different set of eyes or opinion. And that's pretty much it, guys. Y'all have a great weekend. It's a sad day because tomorrow and Sunday there's no trading. But it's all good. It's time for us to study, backtest. There's still trading going on the weekends. It's just not live. We do a lot of backtesting. So, all right, guys. Thank you all. Nicky Limitless out.